To illustrate a common use of a CPU in a server, let's use email. When you start here, we're drawing out a client, right? Your desktop. When you go to enter in, you type in an email message and you hit the send button. What happens to that message is it's actually moved into a series of packets that allow it to transfer over the network that then go into a server somewhere, typically on a cloud in today's world. This could be a server locally. And the CPU, because it has application-based instructions, the CPU then does what the application tells it to do, which is to accept the email, turn it into text, so that we can see it as email, and then spit it out the other side and deliver it. This is a common use for a CPU. Notice there are no GPUs or APUs or NPUs in this drawing. Today we're just talking about CPUs, and that's what it does. Good luck.